Sam is asking, is conversion API tracking work for iOS 14.5? My answer, quick answer to you is, I know a lot of people say iOS 14.5, it's still, we are not able to track these people anymore, it's gone. Now, it's just that we are not able to directly track and attribute. Even though they choose to opt out, that doesn't mean that we lost the data entirely, because you still remember we have this thing called the aggregated event tracking, which is something that Facebook is actually doing to relay all this information back. And in fact, after 2 years, in fact, it's been 2 years, right? Now it's iOS 16. We are actually seeing, most of the things is actually getting back to normal already, frankly. Yeah. So if you're still stuck with iOS 14, oh, it's gone, that I shouldn't run ads on Facebook anymore, you probably miss a lot of fun. For the past 2 years, a lot of things has changed. And now we don't talk about that anymore. We just talk about how do we build the right strategy and how do we move forward. Seriously, Sam. All right. I hope that gives you the idea. Don't be concerned about that, because everything's running fine. Most of our campaign, e-commerce campaign, lead gen campaign, or website and all that, everything is running all right. We're not missing any data. I mean, minor discrepancy is fine, but we're actually not missing anything for now. Okay? So no issue anymore. What I say, what I understand. Okay? Yeah.